Just imagine a single exchange where you can trade spot, leverage, ETFs, and futures, covering over 500 futures pairs. And yes, even DEX Trading. And here's the most exciting part. Most users can trade, deposit, and withdraw without KYC. That's right. No long verification process. Just sign up and start trading instantly. Meet MEXC, a global exchange serving over 15 million users across 200 plus countries and supporting more than 10 languages. It's truly one of the most accessible crypto platforms out there. And guess what? MEXC is ranked among the top 10 exchanges on CoinMarketCap with a daily trading volume in the billions. That means high liquidity, tighter spreads, and faster trades. So, let's explore what makes MEXC one of the best exchanges in the market. Alright guys, let's start with the basics. How can you buy and sell crypto on MEXC? Quick buy and sell. With just a few clicks, boom! You can instantly buy and sell digital assets in a fast and secure way. P2P trading with zero fees. Yes, you heard it right, zero fees. You can buy and sell directly from other users at the best prices, without paying extra charges. Fiat deposit. Want to buy crypto using your debit or credit card? No problem. MEXC lets you purchase crypto directly with Visa, MasterCard, and more. Global bank transfers. Prefer bank deposits? MEXC offers seamless fiat to crypto transactions for easy buying and selling. But that's not all. MEXC isn't just about simple trading, it's a full ecosystem packed with features. Markets overview, check out spot, futures, and macro data, all in one place. See heat maps, market trends, and top performing assets in just seconds. Now, here comes the real game changer, futures trading. USDTM futures, perpetual contracts settled in USDT for easy trading. CoinM futures, want to trade with BTC or ETH as margin? MEXC offers that too. Copy trading, just follow top traders and automatically copy their trades. Easy profits for beginners. Demo trading, not ready for live trading? No worries. Try risk-free demo trading to sharpen your skills before using real money. Hot events. MEXC is always running futures events, where you can trade and win huge rewards. Exclusive MX Zone, hold MX tokens, and get access to special rewards, airdrops, and discounts on trading fees. Launch Pool and Kickstarter, want free token airdrops. Stake MX tokens and earn new project tokens before they even hit the market. And now, let's talk about the best part of MEXC, DEX Plus trading. Just imagine this. With MEXC, you get the power of a traditional exchange plus the freedom of DEX, decentralized exchange, trading. That's right, you get the best of both worlds. Right now, MEXC is running a special event. Trade 100 USDT and get 20 USDT bonus. Don't miss out. Deposit, trade, and invite your friends to share in the 50,000 USDT prize pool from the futures bonuses. Limited time offer, so jump in before it ends. MEXC is constantly offering exclusive deals and airdrops, so you can easily earn money while trading. Sign up now to claim a massive bonus of up to 8,000 USDT. It's simple to get started. Just register on the platform and you're ready to go. Let's dive into why MEXC is such a powerful platform right now. Currently, MEXC has 2,952 spot tokens and 1,071 futures tokens trending globally. That's a huge selection, making it easy to find what you're looking for, no matter your trading style. MEXC is the #1 platform for liquidity globally, with faster trades, tighter spreads, and steadier trading. That means you get the best possible prices when you trade. Here's the best part. MEXC futures trading fees are the lowest among all CXs, 0% taker fees and just 0.02% maker fees. Even better, MEXC offers 0% spot trading fees on some of their hottest trading pairs. Plus, if you use MX tokens to pay your fees, you'll get additional discounts and exclusive perks. Now, let's talk about the huge advantages you get by holding MX tokens. High returns. By holding MX, you can enjoy APY of up to 52.21%. That means high returns on your holdings, a perfect opportunity for long-term investors. Low fees. Hold 500 MEXC tokens and enjoy 50% off taker fees. That's more savings as you trade, which adds up over time. High commission. If you're an affiliate or community builder, hold MEXC and enjoy up to 70% commission on referred trades. The more you hold, the more you earn. But it doesn't stop there. MEXC also offers exclusive MEXC airdrop events where you can participate in free cryptocurrency airdrops. By using MEXC tokens, you'll have the chance to win more rewards through Kickstarter and Launch Pool, giving you early access to promising projects before they even launch. Here's a cool fact. 40% of MEXC's quarterly profits are used for market buyback and burning of MEXC tokens. The goal? To maintain a circulating supply of just 100 million MEXC tokens, which can increase the value of the token over time. Now, let's talk about something crucial when it comes to trading: asset security. MEXC has 3 major measures in place to ensure your assets are safe at all times. Instant monitoring of asset risks. MEXC provides real-time risk monitoring, so you'll always know the status of your assets. And in the unlikely event that something goes wrong, they offer prompt and full compensation for any losses caused by the platform. Reserve rate exceeds 100%. MEXC maintains transparent asset security. Their reserve rate currently exceeds 100%, which means you don't need to worry about withdrawal runs or losing access to your funds. USDT 114.52%, USDC 112.51%, BTC 110.14%, and ETH 103.18%. Secure asset storage. MEXC uses a combination of cold storage and hot wallet strategies to ensure the safety of your stored assets. Cold wallet. Key assets are stored offline to prevent cyber attacks and diversify risks. Hot wallet ensures a smooth, instant trading experience with automated risk management to handle emergencies. MEXC also has a futures insurance fund that is currently worth 467 million USDT, designed to compensate for any losses exceeding your margin. So why wait? Sign up using the link below and get the chance to win up to 8,000 USDT. It's super easy. Just sign up with your email or mobile number, set your password, and don't forget to enter my referral code to claim your bonus. And that's just the beginning. Now you've got a full introduction to MEXC, but the real action starts in the next episode. Want to learn how to trade, earn big profits, and withdraw without KYC? In the next episode, I'll show you step by step how to trade futures, maximize gains, and cash out your earnings. No complications, just straight up profits. So don't miss it. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and get ready for the ultimate MEXC trading guide. Don't be late. Sign up now with my link to claim up to 8,000 USDT in bonuses, and I'll see you in the next episode. Let's trade, earn, and grow together.